birthday. I'm 29 and today I'm gonna do a little shopping like vlog for you guys. And today I think later on I'm gonna go with my mom to like go out to eat or whatever. So I don't know if I want to eat too much or like, you know, wait. So yeah, stay tuned. And I feel so nice today. I feel like it's so beautiful. Okay, so this is the mall, guys. Okay, you guys, so I'm like on my way to find Sephora. And I think I might like head into like Burlington or Marshalls to like kind of see what they have. So I'll bring you guys along with me. I don't know if you guys can hear, but like it's literally raining outside and I had to like use my umbrella because like I had like my Lyft driver drop me off. So I didn't want to get wet. So we'll see the outcome of today. And I didn't do any birthday pictures yet. So I'm in Target and I think I'm gonna I think I'm gonna buy the swimsuits in my previous videos. As you can see in the corner back there. So guys, remember the 3 swimsuits I tried on before? I think I'm gonna get this one, the second pink one, and the blue one because I think they're so cute. So yeah, it's okay if like the boobs are a little, a little down here, but honestly, it's nothing wrong with that. It's not as noticeable, so it doesn't matter. But yeah. Okay, you guys, so this is like the second one that you've seen before. Yeah, super cute. And I'll be getting this as well. So, of course, I had to go with the blue as well. So, I'm gonna get all of them. This is so cute. Like, literally, yes. Yeah, so guys, I'm gonna get them. And I forgot to mention that there is a matching skirt that can go with like the polka dotted swimwear. So yeah, I'm gonna get all of these. Yeah. Okay, you guys, so I got the swimsuits and now I'm gonna go in the mall and see what else I can get. So, okay, you guys, so I'm in one of the stores in the mall and I'm trying on dresses for tonight. I'm just going out to eat, but I'm trying to debate on what I want to like get. But this is so cute. Like, I think I can tie it more up to see if that might look good. I don't know. Okay, you guys, so I think this is a nah, like a no, but it is cute because of like the size. I feel like even if it's hanged up, I feel like it's not gonna do too much for the side a little bit. I don't know, but it is cute. Okay, you guys, so this one's just like the burgundy. It's super cute, but I don't know, like I feel like it should be like maybe like a flowy dress, or I don't know. Like I love like, how like you can tie it in the back, but I don't know. Everyone's saying like maybe it's because like it could be flowed down like a flowy dress, or like just not secure, or maybe this part is not like how it's supposed to look like. But I do love it though. Okay, you guys, so there's this one. I do love how it's a mermaid, but I feel like it makes me look like more older, like an old person. And I don't really like it. Like, I don't know, I love the color and everything, but I just feel like it's just, I don't know. Okay, you guys, so this is giving like, casual, but also like you can go to dinner with it. It's like, I would say it's like birthday appropriate for like a 29-year-old. Yeah. So yeah, it's super cute. I love it. Okay, so this is cute, but I just don't think it would work out. I feel like it's too much like just out there, and then like you could kind of see like the sides a bit. I don't know, but it is cute though. Okay, you guys, so this is the last one, and it fits like the other one. Well, it doesn't really fit, but it fits the same. And I like the color, but I feel like, I don't know, I feel like it's not doing much for me, and like I'm spilling out on the sides. So yeah, no, unfortunately, but super cute. Hey guys, so I'm at Outback and I'm gonna eat and I'm gonna show you my plate. So I got the fettuccine alfredo with shrimp. It's so good. Well, it looks good, so I'm gonna try it. So it's dinner time. It's really good. Pink lemonade and chicken pasta with shrimp. Yeah, so good. This steak is probably gonna come back out. I think he said he's gonna put more barbecue.
He's gonna put it back on the grill, and then I asked him for more steak sauce.
Yeah, steak sauce for it. I wanted to do pasta instead of like doing burgers and fries like I always do. So it's really good.
Oh, thank you.
Alright, Bonzo on 3. 1, 2, 3. Bonzo birthday from the Outback crew. We wish it was our birthday so we can party too.
Happy birthday! Thank you guys. Thank you.
Birthday! So guys, today's my birthday, as you know, and I'm 29. And I just wanted to say thank you everyone for, wishing me a happy birthday and watching my vlogs, and I appreciate you guys, and yeah, celebrating with me. And yeah, so I'm gonna make a wish, and I'm not gonna tell you what the wish is. And yeah, so
Happy birthday, my beautiful daughter. I love you.
thank you. So
Blow it out after 3. Oh.
so 1, 2, 3.